Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on Font Style and select Download More at the bottom. Now you can click on the best font style for you. I will go with maybe this one. When you selected the perfect one, hit Download at the bottom and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. In order to go back to your default one, just go back to the same settings, so Display and Brightness and Font Style. Click on System Default located under System Fonts and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!